Cheers guys, how you all doing? Hope you all doing very much well. Welcome to the Sunday market breakdown. I will be breaking down my top 6 of the week, and we are going to be having a beautiful week. Hope everyone has a good flow zone. Let us begin. On the DXY, I've got a neutral price action. Reason why is that yes, we've got this price reacting well from this area of interest, but however it is now developing a 3-touch structure, which I will be opening on the H4, whereby you'll be able to spot what I see. So as I get into the H4, we have got this 1 2 3. We cannot ignore this price here because it can just create a bullish momentum, and once the bullish momentum is created, there is much confluence for price reacting towards an impulse, correction, and an impulse. So this could be the main aim, whereby the top value area could be the target. The target, as we can see, that price has been moving bullish since weeks ago. So yeah, that is the DXY. We are remaining neutral about it, and if price ignores this structure right here, we'll be moving towards the bottom. So I'm going to begin with the first pair. The first pair will be euro dollar. On euro dollar, this is what I have. Okay, on euro dollar, we have got this price action happening. So price is positioned through this area of volume. As it is positioned through this area of volume, it is also above this area of interest. So it is now developing into a structure. Let us get into H4 on what am I talking about. So as it is developing into a structure, we have price developing an expansion. Well, this is not an expansion, this is an ascending channel. So I'm looking into this 1 2 3 ascending channel, which has a pattern within. So it's pattern within pattern. So I'm going to correct this right here. So this is an expanding channel where I've got 1 2 3 and looking for price to reach this area of interest and pull back. So this will be much more of too much confluence as to 1 2 3, and we've got our 1 2 3. It's gonna be beautiful, so be on alert for that. And let us get into the second pair. On the second pair, we've got AZ dollar. So on AZ dollar, let us begin on the daily. So as we can see on the daily, we have got price positioned above this area of volume, but however we've got price action telling us something. As price action is telling us something on the H4. On the H4, we have got this expansion which I was looking for from the last SMP which I had done. So as you can see, this is what price is developing. I was looking for price to drop here, but it did not. However, what did it do? It formed a continuation and it moved up. So as I got to go into my forecast on Friday night, I was able to spot this 1 2 3. So I saw, okay, price is creating another structure within a structure. So we've got this expansion structure and we've got this ascending pattern. So we've got 1 2 3 in the middle section, and price is reacting well, and price is trapped right here. So if price is able to drop past here and develop a 2-touch, I'll be more than happy to be joining on taking a trade. And if it does not do that and actually continues the move whereby it's moving in a trend, it rejects here and goes up, the possibilities are very high that it might reject from that area point. So that is what I have on euro dollar. I mean AUD USD. So we have got NZD USD. On NZD USD, we have got price developing a clean 3-touch expanding structure below an inflation point. So this is our inflation point right there, and we've got this 1 2 3, and as you can see, price is now showing confluence into giving the bearish momentum by closing with the bearish candlestick. Let us get into the, and also it fails to retest this inflation point, but however that doesn't mean that price might go back, because we have got nice price action on H4. So on H4, we've got this 1 2 3, and then inside rising wedge. So on this rising wedge, we've got the 1 2 3. So as you can see, with these structures which are developing within these pairs, they are all similar. however they are not moving at the same time, so be aware on when you place a trade to also check the other pairs on what's going on. As you can see right now, NZD dollar and AUD dollar is ready for the move, but however euro dollar isn't ready for the move, so that should be a guide for you. And move on to the fourth pair. On the fourth pair we've got pound CHF. So on the fourth pair we've got pound Swiss. On pound Swiss, price has reacted well. Pound Swiss price has reacted well, so price triggers the area of interest and pulls back as I had forecast last SMB, takes out this high and this high, and now it has pulled back, and I get into the H4. As I get into the H4, price presents a small, let me move this here. So as I get into the H4, price presents a small continuation. So right now we have a small impulse and a small continuation, and price impulsed, and I'll be expecting to have a correction right there for me to take trades. So simple price action, nothing complicated about it. And we move on to the next pair. On the next pair we have got NZD Swiss. On NZD Swiss we have got price reacting well from this area of value. So price is reacting well from the area of value. When I zoom out, there isn't much more to be looking into, so we are going to focus our eyes on this range. So we've got price reacting well from this area of value. We have got this structure here, which is more of like a 1 2 and sort of like 3, if you could say. Yeah, on H1 you're able to spot it. So I've got this 1 2 3, price approaching the area of volume structurally, and we are now waiting for the correction right there, which will be beautiful, as price will be very much well reaching towards this area points, and that is a lot of room to be scaling in. So yeah, that is NZD Swiss. And then on our last pair we have got EuroCAD. On EuroCAD, this is what I've got. So I'll begin on the H4 on EuroCAD, because it's more of like the same thing as you may look on the daily. So on EuroCAD, price impulses, then presents a correction, which results for next, what's coming next will be an impulse down. And now there's a beautiful thing about this pair. This pair may actually be my main focus on Monday. So price is now developing a 3 touch, which is also confluenced by a hook point. So we've got this 1 2 3, and we've got our hook point right there. So if price triggers and presents a retrace candle, I'll be more than happy to take the risk entry, and these will be my target points, this area of interest. It will be much volume to be targeting a good percentage. And yeah, so this is my top 6. Thank you very much guys for getting into it. Hope you guys have a beautiful week, and always remember to apply risk management and be in a good flow zone. If you're not feeling okay, get into the rewired. Always know that you cannot be controlled by a trade. Emotions are something that you need to control when you're trading. Cheers guys, hope you have a great week. Thanks.